Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Now click on this gear at the top right corner and select App Permissions. Finally, click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone. Then click on the switcher next to one of your apps. I will go with Chrome. So now when I click on the switcher next to it, Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone. If you wish to deny it, click on the same now green switcher next to your chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!